Hi everybody, I'm Nan Sterman from A Growing Passion, and I want to show you a really cool house plant you can give as a holiday gift this season. This beauty is called Peacock Plant White Fusion. It's a calathea, and we know lots of these, but usually they don't have this distinctive striping. This one is really green and white, and when you turn the leaves over, see that beautiful purple blush? So I'm going to pot it up in this cute little purple pot that I had. Really easy to do. This comes to us from Logee's, and Logee's is known for their rare plants, and especially plants like this that are great house plants. So all I'm going to do is set it here at the same level it was in the pot. That's really important. And tuck in some really good quality potting soil. Don't ever skimp on potting soil. You want the best you can get. Very simple to do. Clean it off a little bit just to make it look nice. I have a friend who's going to love this, and you know what? I'm not even going to wrap it. I'm just going to put a beautiful white bow right here and give it to her for the holidays. And if you'd like one of these, go to logees.com, and happy holidays.